Today's world become completely digital. Banking, social media, online shopping, government system, everything is running on the internet. But there is technology, there are cyber attacks. Every day, thousands of websites get hacked. Companies suffer data breaches and millions of people become victim of cybercrime. So the question is, will you remain just a user or become a cyber security expert who can help stop these attacks? Welcome to the Complete Ethical Hacking Kali Linux Tool plus Cryptography free complete course. And in this course, we have a 12 module. So this is module 1, Introduction to Ethical Hacking. In this module, we have a 4 video. I'm talking about first video, what is ethical hacking. So in this video, we'll talk about ethical hacking explained, ethical hacker, cracker, and hacker, real world use cases, and legal boundaries about hackers. So in first video we will talk about those topics. After that we will move forward to the second video. And now we have another module. It's called cyber security basics. So in this module we will talk about like what is CIA triad, vulnerability three tricks, and attack surface security layers. And we have a module 3. So in this module, we will talk about computer networking fundamental. If we are going for cybersecurity or the networking engineer, this module is very helpful for us. So in this module, we will cover basic of networking, like what is IP address, public, private IP address, MAC address, DNS get. And after that, we will move forward to the OSI module, explain, talk about important protocols, HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, UTP, FTP, SMTP, those protocols. After that, we will discuss about the common services and their boards. This is our module for Linux for hackers. So Linux is very, very important if you are going for the hacking and ethical hacking. So in this module, we have different video from the installation to become a professional Linux user. After that, we have a module 5. It's called Web Fundamentals. So in this module, we will discuss about the basic about the web. So like how website works, HTTP methods, request response, what is and cookie session token, and another thing is authentication, authorizations, web technology basics, API testing basics, web security basics, browser developer tools. Those things we will discuss in Web Fundamentals. So after that, we have a module 6 about information gathering or reconnaissance, active recon, passive recons, and what is Google docking, who is lookup, DNS lookup, reverse DNS, those things. We will talk about also email employee recons, active recon, passive recon, port scanning basics. After that, we have a module 7. So in module 7, we will talk about scanning and enumerations. So like how we will scan a target if we got a IP address, and how we will scan the IP address. After that, service enumeration also included in these modules. And after that, we have a module 8. It's called Advanced Web Application Security and Hacking Tools. Before that, we had discussed like basic of web applications, and in module 8 we will discuss about in depth. Before that, we covered a basic thing. Now we will go and move forward for the advanced level. And there are cross-site scripting and cross-site request forgery, IDOR, BOLA, file upload vulnerabilities. Those all things we will discuss in this module. And after that, we have a module 9. You can see for advanced password attack and authentications, security, and cryptography. So in this module, we will discuss about how we will crack the offline password and online password tools like Hashcat, John the Rippers, those tools, and many other things. Also, we will discuss hashing and hash crack. Those things also we will discuss in this module. After that, we have a module 10, and in module 10, we will discuss about advanced network analysis and packet inceptions. Covered in module 10, there are also another topic also there. So, and here, this is module 11 about advanced wireless security and Wi-Fi hacking. Advanced wireless security, like how we will protect our wireless devices and how wireless thing is working and how to hack. Wi-Fi and how to secure our Wi-Fi. So those things we will discuss in this module only. You can see now we have a module 12. It's called Advanced Digital Forensic and Incident Investigations. And after that, this is the last module. Uh, yeah, that's all about the course. I guarantee it, you will become a best ethical hacker. But for that, you have to focus on three things. Not only just learning, you have to go for practical, and apart from that you have to consistent about that. So first is learning, and second is practical, and third is consistency. So three things is required for the become a cybersecurity expert and the ethical hacker. Please do subscribe this channel for more videos.